Good morning, traders. Gates W. Adams here with GACTradingPro.com. I had mentioned yesterday that I was going to be starting a little later from here on out. I was going to post it on the page, and the day got away from me, and I didn't, so my apologies on that. But starting from here on out, I'm going to start my trading day after this morning call that I take. So this will be about the time that I generally come in, about 10:30-ish or so. Now, do bear in mind, we are talking about trading. Trading involves risk. Please make sure you know what you're doing before you move forward. So let's have us a look here at our charts. Okay. So, first and foremost, if we take a look at the 30-tick diagnostic, going back to open, looks like we had a little rise up and then we shot down. From there, I guess we've just really been chopping pretty good. A little bit of ranging, but you know, if we look at it, it's there. I mean, there's been some range in here, but nothing aggressive. And if we take a look at the simplicity chart, there really just hasn't been a whole lot of actual movement. You know, it's been essentially, for the most part, this downtrend, but the actual movement has been, well, for all intents and purposes, pretty weak. So that means that I'm going to be eyeballing some scalps here. Maybe we're looking at the same as yesterday and grinding this baby out. I certainly hope not. It would be nice for it to just decide that it wants to make a move and to be able to capture that and get a nice run off of it. But you know what? That's part of the process, is identifying what you want to trade, where, and how. As you guys know, I'm trading in Q. I should probably see about opening up the feed. All right, here we go. And we're not seeing anything about to come up here or anything like that. Here we go. So there you have it. Okay, so feed is up, and well, let's see what today holds. Yeah, I mean, it's probably going to want to bounce off of this bar again. Bounced a little early. The challenge with that is where it's going to go. It's going to that would just push me right into that friggin' wall. Yeah. And it doesn't seem to be having much trouble getting through it. It's just there. Simplicity wants to call this long. It's going to take a little more than this to make an actual long move look appealing down there, but let's see. Yeah. Kind of nice to have a solid pace, but not so fast that it's just impossible to follow. So technically that hit us into a long position here. Not position, but trend. I don't exactly have a lot of faith in that. I'll get my microphone off of my chart trader. That might help. Yeah, it's great when you can't see what you're buying or selling or any of your chart trader buttons. That's never good. All right, so that was pushed back down, so I'm guessing that we're going to be finding our way out of that long move. Yeah, the temptation is high, but I don't want to do this. I mean, this had an appearance of a nice entry, but there's nothing to bounce off. I mean, there's nothing that it's bouncing off of. Yeah, the path is clear, but again, trying to be disciplined enough to not take those very mediocre setups. Because, live and learn and all. Well, it doesn't want to give us the full entry. I mean, we're between those two magnets, so it doesn't look horrible, but it could look better for sure. There we go. Jump up there and bounce. I could see that with a proper setup. Nope. No gracias. Well, this now begs the question of, do I want to consider rearranging my monitor structure? Man, the work it would take to get that done, but maybe it's what I need to look at doing. I'm not sure I have the most efficient setup here. We'll find it. We'll figure it out. I don't know. Today's Friday, so tomorrow's Saturday. I don't have a big, heavy day tomorrow, and my wife will be off at work for a portion of the day, so I can either do a project on the house, which is probably what I should do, or I could work on my monitors.
Order canceled.
I'm probably going to do a project on the house. Where's my audio? Dang it. Ah. Son of a... What the heck? Yeah, well, alright. I got audio. Shoot. I mean, I didn't miss anything. It's no big deal. But, yeah, probably ought to test that crap out before I get going. Okay, we want to take that one, don't we? That's kind of everything. If it goes.
Order canceled.
Never mind, it didn't go. Alright. Well, at least I got the audio working. There's that.
Order canceled.
Alright, wants to move up. Oof. I don't know about that one. I got all that garbage there.
Order filled.
How are we going to start this day, folks?
Target filled.
We are going to start it on a win. That makes me happy. Well, it's probably going to bounce off of that again. What do we think? I think we got another bounce off of this baby, or is it just going to chop around for a second? Yeah. It's just going to chop around for a second. That push didn't seem to have a lot of oomph behind it, so. It's not even going to push it. All right. I mean, I think it still wants to move up, but I don't think we're at a particularly exciting spot when it comes to nope. Not from there. Yeah, that trend move doesn't appear to be very interesting to me. So. Well, that's not the right thing to bounce off of. It doesn't mean it's not a good idea. If we get all the goods. I'm getting most of the goods. Yeah, we got them.
Order filled. Target filled.
All right. You're not talking a lot of steam here, but we have no exhaustion yet. We have exhaustion.
Order filled.
I know it wants to shoot down, but come on, man.
Target filled.
There we go. Okay. We know the rules. 3 in, 3 out, we're done. Okay. So, I don't know. I mean, this schedule kind of might be working for me. I have not breached my initial account value, I don't think. Let's have us a little look-see here. Where am I? Yeah, 49,932. So between the last 2 days, I've almost wiped out the abysmal loss I got on that first day. And then you throw in some commissions, whatever, it's no big deal. But up 135, take away about $12, so that puts me up 123 on the day. I'm almost back up to break even in the account, in the sim account. Off of 3 very quick in and out trades. I mean, everything went smoothly. I can't really complain. And I learned from the other day that when I fail to maintain my rules, that's when I get beat up pretty good. So Anyway, there you go. Not too shabby. Very quick. 1, 2, 3 in and out, and that is the end of my Friday. Oh, by the way, just for the record, it is Friday, February 24th, 2023. Last day of the trading week, and day 3 into my evaluation. I'm almost back up to break even because I had a crappy first day. It happens. And from there, we shall move into Monday with enthusiasm and high expectations. So thanks for stopping in and checking us out today. And I appreciate you guys. Love you all. God bless. Have a wonderful weekend. And I will see you all on Monday at about 10:30 market time. All right? Anyway, you guys behave. Take care. I'll talk to you all soon.